परिंदे ऐसे लोग होंगे जो औलाद की खुशी से महरूम होंगे, लेकिन उन दरिंदों की भी कमी नहीं जो एक नन्ही सी जान को कूड़े के ढेर पर कुत्तों के सहारे छोड़ गए। जी हाँ, श्रीनगर के इस नंदन अस्पताल में एक नवजायद बच्चे को कूड़े के ढेर पर कुत्तों के बीच उनका निवाला बनने के लिए शदीद सर्दी में छोड़ दिया गया।
No, yeah, this was the intervening night of 23rd and 24th January के हमारे जो lab attendant है, he spotted some unusual movement of dogs, one or two dogs, and they were suddenly, when he opened the window of the laboratory, he spotted something called the security. He along with the security went down and were surprised to see a abandoned neonate surrounded by one or two dogs. So we immediately rescued that neonate who must have been born that day only, or maybe one day earlier, because he was abandoned there to be killed or lynched by the stray dogs. So he immediately we rescued that, admitted in the ICU, started the necessary treatment, resuscitated, and mashallah, he's doing well. To me, it looks like totally an inhumane act, because we have incidents of abandoning babies, but within the premises, sometimes outside our labor room, or sometimes within some areas of the hospital. But this isolated incident happened where the neonate was abandoned in an isolated areas. So to me it looks that there was a clear intention that this child should be, this neonate rather, should be get lynched or mauled by the dogs. This time we have 3 abandoned babies, including this one, 2 female and 1 male, who are admitted in our intensive care units, and we are taking care of them. The baby, it was a good luck, and credit goes to our staff जिन्होंने timely इसको retrieve किया, and we had to resuscitate the neonate in our intensive care. He was put on oxygen and necessary medication was started, and the next morning the surgical call, including the plastic surgery consultation, was done, who repaired his scalp wound, जो laceration थी on the scalp, and the necessary treatments regarding his rabies prophylaxis was given, and the child is doing well now. We have a lot of applications for people who approach, usually childless couple or infertile couple who really want to adapt, and we have a procedure for that. They have to approach the concerned the city magistrate, chief judicial magistrate, who orders, and we have been handing over such babies to the couples identified or ordered by the magistrate.
इंसानियत को शर्मसार करने वाले ऐसे वाक़या हमारे समाज के लिए लम्हा फ़िक्रिया है। वही कानून नाफिज करने वाले इदारों पर यह जिम्मेदारी आयद होती है कि ऐसे दरिंदों को सख्त के सख्त सज़ा दी जाए। इरफान कुरैशी, ETV बात, श्रीनगर।